Hello and hi guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add animated text like this in your WordPress blog or page using Divi theme and Divi page builder. To add animated text like this, first you need to log into the dashboard. Once you successfully logged in, go to plugins and click on add new. In search bar, search Divi Tark plugin. As you can see, I have already activated this plugin. You can click on install this plugin and then activate. You can see this have 4000 plus active installation, 5-star rating, and last update almost 20 hours ago. This was a perfect add-on plugin for Divi. Now after activating this plugin, go back to dashboard. Now once you activated the plugin, now you have to go to visit post and click on add new. Now here you have to add post title. I will add animated text and publish the post. Now here you have published the post. After this, click on this use Divi builder. Now it will take you to Divi builder. Here Divi asks for you different page layout. You can build it from scratch, clone existing page, or choose a pre-made layout. I will start from scratch. Now select row. I will select a single row. Now here you have multiple modules. These are modules come from Divi builder, but in this highlighted color it comes with Tark plugin. Here you can see the Tark add-ons. Every Tark add-on had Tark name with it, and here you can see Tark animated text module. Click on it. Now this is the setting of a module. Here you have to add prefix. I will add this is, and here you have to add animated text. You can add a single text or add multiple text that will repeat. I will add this is 2021, and here I will add 2022. You can add suffix all, leave it, but I will add here. Now I have added my content. Now collapse this section and go to setting. In animation mode, you have to select animation type. I will select animated slide. Now here your slide animation. You can flip in Y or bounce, shake, swing. You have multiple animations here. I will add, click on fade in. Here's the slide gap. Now I have selected animation mode. Now click on link. You can add link into text. Here you have background option. You can add a background color or image. Here you can add video, but I will leave all them. Let's go to design. Here in general setting, you can change alignment of layout. In text setting, you can change font. I will select disable font. Font weight to regular or bold. I will select bold. Here you can change size, letter spacing, line height, or you can add text shadow. Let's add this one. Now collapse this one, and here you can animate prefix. Now here you have padding and margin, background, and in typography you can change text stroke, font, and font weight. Let's collapse them. In animated text, you can change animated text typography and padding, margin, and background color. Just leave all of them. Click on this tick, and your content will be saved. Now it will show like this. Here you can see the preview. It will appear like that. I will change this animation. To change this animation, click on the setting button. Go to settings and change animation from slide to text tilt. You can add flip or pulse. I will select flip. Save changes. click on these three dots and here you can save the post. Now you have successfully saved the post. Just leave to the dashboard, go to post and view your post. Now here you can see the animated text, and this is prefix and this is suffix. Now that's how you can add animated text using Divi Builder and Arc plugin for Divi Builder. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like and subscribe our channel and then click on bell icon to receive notification of updates about Divi Builder in future. Thanks for watching and hope you will return on this channel.